Hey future financial moguls. Welcome to Easy Finance Tips, where we turn market mysteries into mastery. Today's video is a game changer. Stock Market 101. A beginner's guide to investing. By the end, you'll be ready to kickstart your investment journey. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more financial wisdom every week. Imagine the stock market as a gateway to financial growth, not a maze of confusion. Stick around to discover secrets that will transform you from a novice to a savvy investor. This is Stock Market 101. Let's dive in. Over the past century, the stock market has averaged about a 10% annual return. That's the power of long-term investing. Key point number 1. Understanding stocks. First stop: understanding stocks. Buying a stock means buying a piece of a company. Historically, stocks have outperformed other investments long-term, forming the cornerstone of wealth building. Key point number 2. Diversification. Next, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments reduces risk and enhances growth potential. Key point number 3. The power of compounding. Finally, the magic of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. It's the secret sauce for long-term wealth. There you have it, the basics of Stock Market 101. Knowledge without action is just information, so open that brokerage account, pick your first stock, and start your journey to financial growth. If this video sparked your interest, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more investment wisdom. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is GC from Easy Finance Tips. May your portfolios grow, and your financial dreams take flight.